Hey, it's Andy. We have put at least 3 of your pages that have been created or that we have redesigned onto your Hootsuite account. And we want to show you how to install the Hootlet app. It's a free app, posting tool app from Hootsuite that you can actually install right on your Chrome dashboard so that you can very quickly, anything you find online, you can very quickly post it to your social sites. So what you need to do is I'm going to open another window and I'm going to go to hootsuite.com/hootlet. You go to hootsuite.com/hootlet. What it does is it takes you to the page where you can install this Hootlet app with autoschedule, which is what you want. Hootsuite has the 2 programs. They have a partner program with Chrome. They have one with Firefox. If you use Firefox, you can use that. I happen to use Chrome most of the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Hootlet for Chrome. And it's going to ask me, I want to add it to Chrome. Top right, add to Chrome. And here it says, do we want to add the Hootsuite Hootlet extension? I want to add that extension. And you will notice up here in the top right-hand corner, bang, there you see the little owl. That little owl now gives me a link right from Chrome right to my social media sites. If you want to find out a little bit more about Hootlet, you could click through here. It'll actually show you how to use it a little bit more, but that's for a later time. So I want to show you very quickly how it works. So if I had something on my screen, I wanted real estate news for Fort Myers, Florida. If I found something on Google that I really wanted to share. So News Press, Naples, real estate, finance, and economic news. So if I went to a page and I found some content that I wanted to share on all my sites, instead of having to click and share it to each site or go there and pull that information, as long as I have the content on my page, I can actually share it. So if I wanted to share, let's do the Lee County Commissioners to discuss purchase of Hertz Arena. Pop up. So if I wanted to share this video, this article, this news story, whatever I had on my page, I don't know if you want to do it from this page. Boy, there's a lot of ads on this page. But whatever content you actually have on your page, you can very quickly add simply by clicking on the little app. By clicking on the app, I'm already logged into my Hootsuite account. First time you click on it, it's going to come up. This is just giving you instructions on how to use it. Once you exit out of that, that'll never happen again. So when you click on it, it'll come in. You can click here and select all your pages. You can write in whatever you want about the article here. You can change the thumbnail if you want to. If there's a thumbnail here, you can actually change the thumbnail if it gives you the option. But very quickly, all you have to do is hit post now, and it'll post to all 3 of these pages, or post later, and I can actually schedule it to post whenever it is that I want to post later. There's another video which shows you how to use your content coming from Google Alerts, in which we show you how to use the posting tool to auto schedule and those kind of things as well. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at agentprofilestartup@gmail.com.